Friends, you are welcome to my channel Uttam Computer Training Center, and now we will learn how to add your bank account and UPI ID and whatever you want to add in your Cosmofeed. So what you have to do now, you have to go to Cosmofeed and see this is my Cosmofeed dashboard, and you will get here options called a setting. Here I am indicating here, this is settings, and then you will get here when you click here, you will see there are lots of options like profile, your plan, and withdraw. And you need to go to withdraw options, and then you will get here your bank account details and the UPI ID, whatever you want to add, you will see here. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to create your pin here, and I have already created, so I am getting here change pin. You need to create your security pin is active, so you will create here, and then what you have to do, secondly, withdraw information. If you want to set up your bank account, then you can click here setup, and then you can set up your bank account details. Whereas if you want to add your UPI ID, then you can add your UPI ID from here. So there is also more options like add new UPI, so you can add more UPI ID here to withdraw your amount in your bank account details. So I hope you understand that how to add your bank accounts and UPI ID to withdraw your amount in your bank account details. So friends, I hope that you understand whatever I explained here. So we will meet in next tutorial video. Thank you so much.